morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Today we are going to answer a quick question, and basically, what is this thing that we have on the back of our RV? That's part of our tow system to tow the Jeep. Okay, so we basically tied in our electrical system from the RV to the Jeep. We put in our emergency breakaway cables. We have it securely tied to the base plate of the Jeep. And the last thing we're going to put in, or hook up, is our emergency breakaway. This here allows us to engage the emergency brake system in case all of this fails. If this fails and this fails and the chains, the cables are not able to hold on to the Jeep, this will cause this to pull out, and the emergency supplemental system brake will engage, thus stopping the Jeep from any more movement. Okay, that's it. If you're interested in knowing all the different components that make up the entire system, from the tow package to the supplemental brake management system, check out the links in the video comments section. That's where I provide the links to all the different components, okay? Team Roche RV, see ya.